Okay, so guys, the tree finally arrived and I am so excited. I can't wait to adorn this beautiful tree. Welcome back to the channel, my dazzling decor, where luxury is affordable. To my returning subscribers, I want to say a very big thank you for always rocking with me. And my new subbies, thank you all so much, and you are welcome to this beautiful family. All right, so today's video is kind of unboxing, and I'm going to decorate two of the trees. And I know it's going to take forever, if I'm not mistaken, over 3 hours to be able to finish this tree, because we are going all out. So I won't be able to style the living area, but I will do that in a separate video. So without much babbling, let's get to work. But before we go, guys, I just want to say a very big thank you. I am so grateful for almost 500 subscribers. Thank you all so much for your love and your support. I appreciate it and I'm so humbled. Thank you. Please, let's dive in.
Outside, and the night is cold. Everyone's lighting candles in their homes. Yes, it's Christmas. right. You can feel it in the air, that every child got their hearts filled up with joy. Yes, it's Christmas all around. All snow is falling down, all the colored lights lighting up this town. And as I walk outside, hear the Christmas choir sing, Merry Christmas to you. This time of year is a time to cheer. Let our loved ones, our family and friends have a Christmas with so much love, and with joy and laughter. Let us make memories that stay forever. It's Christmas today. All snow is falling down, all the colored lights lighting up this town. And as I walk outside, hear the Christmas choir sing, Merry Christmas to you. Snow is falling down, all the colored lights lighting up this town. And as I walk outside, hear the Christmas choir sing, Merry Christmas to you. Merry Christmas to you. Christmas to you.
Okay, so let's talk about the final touches that brought this tree to life. So for the topper, I used this iced glitter pick from TJ Maxx and Marshalls. I secured them with a branch of the tree for stability, and I added those glitter picks for a fuller look. So moving on to the neck of the tree, I used a thin ribbon to make a cluster ornament for the necklace because I wanted to create my own instead of using a bow. I made a cluster of picks with a magnolia pick and turn it upside down sort of to make it cascade, and I'll continue with the same process for the whole body of the tree. I also wanted 3 loops of this gorgeous emerald green ribbon for the entire tree to add movement and texture, cascading beautifully down the tree. And for a pop of festive charm, I added these creamed apple berries to the cluster to tie the look together, and I followed with the ornaments.
Have a Christmas with so much love, and with joy and laughter. Let us make memories that stay forever. It's Christmas today. is falling down, all the colored lights lighting up this town. And as I walk outside, hear the Christmas choir sing, Merry Christmas to you.
And there you have it, guys, the unveiling of my 2024 Timeless Holiday Splendor Christmas tree. I absolutely love how the colors blended together to create such a timeless, elegant, and festive, cozy feel. I hope this inspires your own holiday decorating and fills your home with this magic of the season. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comment. Click on the bell notification 2 times so you don't miss any future updates. Wishing you all a warm, joyful, sparkling holiday season. Until next time, please always remember that you are fearfully and wonderfully made. I love you all always, and bye-bye.